Hello traders, if you know my story and you know the reason I live and breathe what I do is because of our global community and journeys and stories with traders like Pablo, complete beginner trader, stressed out attorney, closed his law practice, and you will see what Pablo texting me this morning. But I love following and connecting with students all over the world, especially when I see that complete beginner trader can trade all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. This is prior email from Pablo that shows extremely critical parts of all I teach. Why is this such a powerful email? Let's dissect it and go to what played out this morning. He says clearly, prior, I wasn't trading much because of family issues. But then everything changed. Tuesday through Thursday, he took 11 trades and all hit targets. Trading gold, oil, euro, cable, Aussie, didn't trade American embassies, didn't like the charts. What a flexibility. You can trade anything you choose, any time frame, any platform, any instrument. Pablo trades on Ninja, with and without software. Pablo trades on TradeStation. Pablo trades on TradeStation, stocks and options with a system. Forex, MT4, MT5. So when you see that Pablo can do this, this is an update from Pablo this morning. As Pablo always likes, keeping me posted, sending me screenshots of trades he takes. He took a trade on oil this morning. As I'm texting him, hey, send me an email, stop texting me, right? Difficult connecting when I work. He says, so nice and so easy, thanks to you. When I'm asking him a question, are you preparing long-term levels prior to focusing only on small charts? As he says, of course, every morning I check out daily levels on all instruments, and on Monday I check out weekly levels because these are key institutional volumes, institutional systems. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, you know where to take your position. And then it's extremely clear. This is what Pablo referring to. This is what Pablo trades. This institutional zones, institutional levels. So when you understand the power of this, you remember forever. Absolutely no software required, never, ever, ever. Insert proprietary levels and apply. And you know where institutions trading versus not. And when the software giving you single alert, it constitutes weakness. Again, absolute versatility, absolute power. And why is this oil such an important event? Let's take a look. We identified this is Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone many hours and days in advance. That correlates with very important institutional moment. And that's what Pablo trades. And again, if you want to trade euro, of course you can. If you want to trade gold, absolutely. Choice is yours. Alpha Fibonacci system applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. You make a personal decision what you want to trade. Choice is yours. So when you come to the website, you will see that legend like Pablo will be spiking by trading bootcamp to share his journey again and again and again. Pablo is joining us. Pablo does not need a bootcamp, but he already signed up. He can't get enough of the Alpha Fibonacci system and perfecting his skill in trading. So when you're signing up for any option below, Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp will be included. Value of $27.77 at no extra cost to new students. 11 spots left. So please review all the information on the website. Private mentoring includes all group courses, video library modules. Group course, the most popular option. With a bootcamp private mentoring, savings $10,000. Group course savings almost $8,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. So please view students' performance on the website, because you can trade like Pablo does. And look at our students' podcast. Fathers bringing their children, husbands bringing their wives, and complete beginner Pablo, constantly updating us on what he trades and how. If Pablo can do it, so can you. Brand new podcast with Pablo coming to the website. That's it. Any questions for me? Please pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298. And again and again and again, this bootcamp will never ever ever repeat. Additional value of $27.77 included to new group and private mentoring students. And you will get chance to connect and ask Pablo questions when he will stop by to join us. Thank you, traders, so much. Thank you for spectacular day when you witnessed power of the Alpha Fibonacci system in the live markets. When you remember forever, you make a personal decision on any instrument, any time frame you want to trade, as Alpha Fibonacci system applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Any questions for me? Simply pick up the phone and call US 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. I'm off to connect with Pablo and build my systems and prepare for bootcamp. Thank you so much, everyone.